Hey, to check the battery temperature of your OnePlus Nord free phone, we will need to open Play Store first. And here on the bottom of the screen, switch to the search bar. So here just type in manually Ampere like that and search for this app. So here it is. You'll need to tap it and now you just need to click the button install, but in my case it is already downloaded, so let's just open it. So yeah, it is measuring now and we can check our battery temperature. For that, just search for the temperature and here you can see that in my case I have 28.4 degrees Celsius. You can also swipe left and check everything here just by the category: status, level, cycle count, temperature, and so on. And that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.